Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching. Today I'd like to share with you four different types of healthy vegetable salad. And before I proceed, I would like to introduce myself properly. And it's that time of the year where we enjoy eating salad. So stay tuned. Welcome to my channel again. Hello everybody. Today I want to share four different recipe of salad with you. And this is the first one, which is the prawn salad, and these are all the ingredients. And this is the end look of the salad. I'm sure you will agree with me, it looks yummy. So I start with stir frying the prawns. The prawns I just put in black pepper and sea salt and just do it this way till it tenderly cook. Just put it on the low heat and it's done. So I have my cucumber, tomatoes, finely chopped, mint, and this mint leaves, and I'm going to put the mixed beetroot salad. Then I'm going to have the other cucumber, cherry tomato, sweet pepper, a bit of chili, avocados. So it's all a combination of vegetable salad. That's mint leaves. As you know, mint is very, very good for detoxification. So just mix your bowl of salad together with all the ingredients, which has been chopped in the way I preferred, and just mix it all together. It's colorful, it's greeny, and it's yummy. So I'm going to add my avocado. Avocado is a very healthy fat, which is very good as well. I love avocado. It's rich, it's good, it's good for the skin as well. So put in your avocado if you love it. And lastly, but not the least, is the prawns itself. So once the prawns is cooled down, just put it in there. And simple as ABC, you have your prawn vegetable salad. So I'm going to make my dressing a healthy one, which is um one I would recommend. Then occasionally you can use your cream salad, but as we all know, some kind of food comes with age where you have to be very careful. Is cream salad or mayonnaise is actually very fattening, so I recommend you do this if you want a healthy version of this. So put in your apple cider vinegar, olive oil. My olive oil I buy from Amazon, sea salt, black pepper, lemon, and mix all together, and you get a very healthy salad dressing. The olive oil is from Greece. It has a very good taste. Some of them actually taste very, I would like to say, very greenish, kind of bitter. But this is a very good version of olive oil, and it's very good for cooking as well. So I buy this very one. I probably might leave the link in my description section after. Have a look in case you're interested. It's about 4 liters or 3 liters, and it's about £25 on Amazon. So yeah, we have your prawn vegetable salad. Is very, very yummy and tastes so delicious. So we go to the next one. You know, you agree with me that it's that time of the year where you crave for cold food. You know, sometimes some weather comes with some certain kind of food that you crave for. So you can have this in this summer period, and I'm sure you will love it. Then our next salad is a very simple one as well, and it's actually yummy. So this is just a simple salad with tomatoes, cucumber, and meat. Just two ingredients, but it's so amazing how good it tastes. Believe me, guys, it actually tastes so amazing. Three ingredients and it's yummy. It's filling, you know. You can have it at that time of the night where you don't really want to have something heavy, but you want to have salad, you crave for something. This is a better option of what you can have at night. You can snack on. So chop your cucumber in cubes, in your desired size. Just chop it. Then once it's chopped, just put it in the bowl. It's all done. Then transfer to the bowl. Then I'm going to go for the with my mint, my tomatoes. I have a bit of cherry tomatoes left, and I'm going to mix it with all the tomatoes, which is it's actually salad tomato as well, but it's a bigger version. This is a cherry salad tomato. So they have two different flavor in taste. So I'm just going to have the two together and mix it up. Just chop in your desired shape, and it's good to go. Once that is chopped, then I just cut my cherry tomato into two, done like that. Transfer into your bowl. Then the last is the mint. Like I said earlier on, mint is very good for digestion, it's good for detoxification. Sometimes we find some people just putting mint and a bit of lime in water. So if you have some difficulties, you don't really like drinking water, this is another way in order to make your water interesting. So I'm going by doing my dressing, my olive oil as usual, black pepper, and that's then I'm going to put my caustic sea salt a little bit, makes it taste good. Then stir together, and you have your simple tomato, cucumber, and mint salad. It's actually good. It's simple, it tastes good, and it's healthy. Something for the night, believe me. That's But last but not the least is lemon. Lemon is another agent that is aid digestion faster. So just do this to prevent the seed from it to get it. So you just protect it, and it's all done. Yummy. Yeah, it's actually yummy. So that's done. That's number two. So we go by the third one. This is actually a very filling salad. So you can have it like early dinner, like you don't have your lunch and you want to have dinner, something healthy, let's say around 5, 6 o'clock. This is a very filling one and it's yummy. So start by marinating your salmon with olive oil, a bit of black pepper. You rinse it and you skill it, and a bit of sea salt. So once that is done, then in the oven. Sorry guys, I have cold in case you might just hear I'm just sneezing or something like that. Just please bear with my voice. I'm sure it's sexy enough. What do you think? So we start by lettuce. This is Roman lettuce, and rinse it. Make sure you rinse your vegetable. That is very, very essential. Rinse your vegetables. You must rinse your vegetable before eating it. Fruit and vegetable. That is very essential. Make sure you rinse them. Once it's done, chop it. Then in the bowl, then rinse your tomatoes. I'm changing my knife. The knife is a bit dull. So just chop your tomatoes in whatever shape of your choice. Then cucumber. Cucumber is actually filling because of the water content in cucumber. So most of the time, you hardly see me without using cucumber in my salad. So it is one of the key ingredient I use in my salad. So beetroot. Do you know this? This is a cooked one. Beetroot is actually an healthy option as well. I have a little helper there. You can see his knife. He's trying to help mommy cook. That's funny, isn't it? They want to learn fast. And your chili. This chili, I recommend it. It gives it a very different taste. It's not so burny that you can accommodate it. It's just finely little pepperish. Is actually good. You actually see the Mediterranean people using such in their salad. So it's all done. Then I'm going to top it up with my salmon. My salmon was cooked in the oven. It's been cooking in the oven, sorry. It's done now. Probably like 10, 12, 15 minutes max. And you see, yummy. You see what I said is a bit filling. This is very yummy, healthy, delicious, nutritious. So it is. So guys, I hope you're enjoying all my video. I hope you share with friends and family. I hope you remember to like each time you watch. Please do share with friends and family as you watch. And that will ginger me, that will actually help me to be more creative and to be more enthusiastic to make more video. So topping it up with my olive oil as usual, which is in my toppings. That's done. And that is another salad. That's salad number 3. What do you think? Then this is another simple salad number 4. So sometimes we can get bored with not being so creative with, oh, what kind of salad am I going to make today? Oh, I'm eating the same thing. So this is a good alternative for you to know how to make your salad in order not to get bored of eating salad. Salad are actually interesting. You just have to have an idea of what to put and put together in order to make it interesting. Healthy eating can be boring, but you just have to figure a way how to make it more interesting, more appealing, more palatable, whichever English, please borrow me. So started with my mint, then I'm going to chop my tomatoes. It's just 5 ingredients: tomatoes, onion, avocado, cucumber, and lime for the dressing. But it's actually another beautiful, tasty healthy salad. Please try it and share with me in the comment section when you do. If you love the video, remember to like and share with friends and family. Subscribe and turn on the notification button, guys. Then that way you will know whenever I upload. So this is it. This is it. Finally chop and that's done. And cucumber. So it's 4 key ingredients, which is the cucumber, tomato, mint, avocado, onions, and the lemon for the dressing. The onions makes it taste so yummy. So just put a bit of the onions, which I've done, then the avocado. Like I said, avocado is very healthy fats and it's good for the skin. Once the avocado is ripe enough, it's tender, it's easier for you to scoop it from the skin. Lime to taste, you can see. You do this just to prevent the seed from getting into the salad. Black pepper, and sea salt. Then my olive oil. You can see. Yeah, that's done. Just mix it together and serve. It's yummy. I had this with my little helper. You saw him trying to cut with the mommy the other time. So we enjoyed it. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and see you again pretty soon. I love you all. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao. Bye. Love you guys. Bye.